Hello everybody, this is Mr. O'Neill. Today I am going to talk about my life happening. Actually now it is 10 p.m. Before some time ago I have come in my room from the tuition. Nowadays I have to do the tuition till 10 p.m. because I have no way without doing tuition. As a student I have to support myself. That's why every day or 5 days per week I need to do the 4 tuition, and I do the tuition till 10 p.m. Doing tuition is really hard, but it is really helpful for job studies and academic studies, especially for English improvement. Actually, you know that I can speak English in front of the camera and in front of the audience. I think tuition helped me a lot to improve my spoken English. So, no more today. That's all about today. Thank you so much. Please pray for me and have a nice night. Thank you.